Hello, this is some experiments I was doing with the use of huge pages on the JVM on Linux. So this screen here shows the number of huge pages available. So right now we don't have any use pages and huge pages, and none of them are free, these two numbers. And on this screen I want to show the amount of memory that's totally available on the system and that which is free. So we see that this machine has about 2 gigs of RAM, of which about 1.8 gigs are free. Uh, and I have a program here which simulates an out of memory error. So it loops through forever and creates new longer and longer strings, and it finally runs out of memory. So let's try to compile it and run it. So since it simulates an out of memory error, let's actually keep um, the, the VM heap size real low. Notice that the memory drops here, and then it runs out of memory. So this is our test bed. So let's try to use our huge pages. So the VM flag for setting up the huge page feature is -xx : plus use large pages. But then it fails. You see this error. That's because we don't have any huge pages set up. So let's kill this process and try to set up some of these huge pages. So first we have to set up some shared memory for use as huge pages. So let's try to set aside a gig of RAM. So that will be like 1024 max, 1024 KBs times 1024 bytes. So we are set up like these many bytes. So that will be, we have to use it, do it as a super user. So let's elevate ourselves. So okay, so we have allocated that memory as to be used as shared memory. And now let's try to set up the number of huge pages that are supported. So we have like a gig of memory, so that will be like 1024 max. And you can see from here that each page is 4 megs. So 4 equals, like, we have like 256 huge pages available. So let's try to set it up. Okay, now we see that those are reported here, the 256 pages we have. So let's try it.